Hey guys, Mike from Meadowlink Drone Services here. We're in the state of Virginia and I am flying a job site that I've been working on since March of 2021. It's going to be a 500,000 square foot shipping hub for a major shipping company off of the Interstate 95 corridor. This job site should be going on for about another month or two, and I'm going to put the Mavic 2 Pro up and show you what's going on here, and I'll get back to you after the flight. So again, Mike from Meadowlink Drone Services, doing construction progression, special events, real estate, commercial, residential, anything you could think of for that will need aerial photographs, please give me a call. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Have a great day and stay safe.